My name's Andy Hancock from sandcastlelessons.com. Welcome to Travelodge, South Padre Island. This is where we don't just make sandcastles, we do other cool stuff too. Yes, it's me again, wherever I am. You have to wear your safety equipment, otherwise you're an idiot. But besides that, we wear a mask because there's lots of things in this Jeep we don't like, except when we're barbecuing, and our use there's a lot of fine particles and dust, so be safe. Good equipment, only available at Travelodge.